There are so many things I enjoy about my job. I would say collaborating with other people. Sometimes in cases you collaborate with people in your firm. Sometimes it's with other lawyers. Most often it's with your clients. But that interaction where you share ideas, you think about a strategy, and you work toward the goal. It's not just one mind that drives everything and finds the solution, it's collective input. I would say my set of girlfriends inspires me the most. They're a really fantastic group of women. They're business owners, they're other lawyers, they're other people who are leaders in their professions, and they have a great way of looking at life. They use a lot of humor, and I like how we're really supportive of each other. As a group, they inspire me. The impact that I would want to have on my profession is to ensure that women continue to enter the legal field. I've been in it since 1993, and I've noticed a couple shifts or a couple changes over those decades, but one thing that's always remained constant is that women, for various reasons, tend to leave the profession altogether or switch to another job in the profession. I would like to see more constancy and more consistency. And one of the ways you do that is by having more women who are leaders in the legal profession, so that the younger woman can see, oh, I can be a woman and be respected, and here's how you do that.
All right, hi Julie. In your video, you talk a lot about your girlfriends and how they've been an important community for you. I'm just wondering, how important do you think having role models around you, or having community around you, how important is that when it comes to deciding whether or not I'm going to become a lawyer or become into any kind of position of power?
Role models are really important for both male and female lawyers. With my own experience, I was lucky enough to be paired with a mentor as a new lawyer who was, at that time, one of the few female lawyers who was a partner at a law firm. What she taught me was not to be stressed about being a lawyer. I remember when I was helping her with cases, she had a case where a lawyer in Arizona every day would send her a fax, because they had faxes back then. That's how long ago this was. But send her a fax every morning that was mean and nasty, and I would read the faxes and get really worried and upset, and this mentor of mine, Joy Clegg, would just laugh it off. And that really taught me to de-stress, to be laid back about things, to find humor in everything you can. So she was an amazing role model for me. And then when she retired, I then had a male mentor, John Lund. And he taught me everything from being a persuasive legal writer to how to appear in court. And he and I have tried many cases together, and I'm continuing to learn from him even today. But bottom line, mentors are absolutely important, because when you're just starting out in a career, you don't know everything. You have to look to people who are more experienced and learn from them. And you may not want to adopt everything they do. You might want to adopt something that one person does and something another person does, but you go with what works for you, and then it makes you become a better person in business.
Awesome. Well, congratulations on being one of Utah Businesswomen of the Year.
Thank you, Val.
Thanks.